Hey guys, we're back once again with Ramblings, and I'm here with Brittany again. Here's a couple more questions for you.
What is a seller concession?
Ooh, good question. So Kellerson session, we're going to have a blooper reel later. This is going to be great. Seller concession is what the seller agrees in the contract to pay for on behalf of the buyer their closing costs, but it cannot exceed actual closing costs. In other words, they can't give you money for the down payment, but they can pay off every bit of the close. Well, see here, this is where it gets lengthy. Depends on how much you're putting down, what kind of loan program you're doing, determines how much they can give you, but it's a seller contribution towards closing costs.
There you go.
That's the short answer.
Brian
Too late
knows
for that.
so much, and he knows all the guidelines and every little rule there is.
Thank you.
Pretty close enough. Okay, here's a good question. What determines the rate?
Good grief. Oh, I had a feeling you'd throw one in there that's going to take 3 minutes to answer. That's not an easy one to answer in a short period of time. There are a lot of factors that determine the rates. Your occupancy, and I mean, we're not even talking about the market itself, but the occupancy, your credit scores, the type of property, a single-family residence versus a manufactured home. It just goes on and on. So there's quite a few. It's not just one thing. And that's why lots of different people will have different rates, even if they buy it on the same day. And of course, the market itself.
So not one rate fits all, huh?
Not one
Every
rate
single
fits all.
person's going to have a different rate depending on their circumstances.
Exactly.
Great.